Good morning. Thank you for joining me again. Um, I have an original recipe video for homemade biscuits, but it makes a big, large pan of them. So there's a lot of times, we only want one or two biscuits, or you're only feeding one or two people. So I thought I'd do a small batch today, and this should only make two or three biscuits tops. So, and one of the biggest things is to remember your fat to flour ratio is so you need about 3 to 1. 3 flour, 1 fat, whether it be shortening or cold butter. Um, so I'm going to go with a half a cup of flour. These are little 1/4 cup scoops. So I'm going to go with a half a cup. I'm going to need that in a minute. Now I'm only going to, because I've already got a half a cup of flour and I only need 1 part fat. So that's going to equal about 2 tablespoons, maybe say 1/8 of a cup. I am never exact unless I'm baking, like cakes or something like that. Okay, so all I'm going to do there is get my shortening integrated into my flour by mashing it into the flour. You can use a dough cutter for that. I use a fork. It's quicker to me. Okay, so I've already got this in little balls. I'm going to show you here in just a second. Let me get that one little bit there. Okay, so again, it's just little balls. Okay, now, probably not going to need a couple of tablespoons of milk, but you kind of just eye it. So I'm going to go 1, 2, so there's 2 tablespoons, approximately. Stir, and I'm using sweet milk today. I'm out of buttermilk. I could have made some, but I wanted a biscuit, so I didn't want to wait. So let's go with another, about a tablespoon. As long as you get it at the right consistency. So if you use your senses, your sight, smell, most of the time, or feel, most of the time you can figure out how to cook. And once you get used to it, you just kind of, because I used to never measure anything. So here we go. Let's see, I've just got the consistency here. You don't want it runny. Forgot my wax paper, which is what I usually do it on. I'm just going to give me a little piece here. Get me a little flour on my... Now you could do drop biscuits. I don't like drop biscuits, so I always roll them. Now, the other thing is I have my oven on, I'm preheated it to 450. And I've already got my, this is a little, I think it's a 6 or 8 inch iron skillet. You could put it on whatever pan you want it on. I'm fixing to roll them out. So we're just going to take a little bit. You still got to do the rolling. Now, if you're doing drop biscuits, you don't have to have this little extra step, but I like the extra step. So I'm going to take a little bit here, and I'm going to roll it. Now, when I pinch, what I'm doing is I roll, like that, and just pinch it. See these little lines in here where it's broke apart? You just pinch it together. Roll, pinch, roll, pinch. And then when you put it in your pan, make sure your hands are floured. But when you put it in your pan, they don't break apart. So this is going to make actually 2 biscuits. You know, sometimes you don't want to make a big batch of everything. There's a lot of people that live alone or alone at the time they decide they want a biscuit. Now, sometimes I'll make them and freeze them. Like I make Patsy and Zane some, and I freeze them for them. Now, I've got 2 biscuits made, and I've got this little dab left, and I'm going to go ahead and do it also. I have a craving for homemade biscuits this morning. And biscuits are good with everything. A hamburger, steak, breakfast, anything. Okay. I am going to put a tad of butter on the top of those. And I am out of real butter. So I'm just going to use this little butter spread here. And I'm going to put it on the top. I like to do it when it's cold, and when it's baking, it just kind of melts in there. Now I'm going to put these in the oven on 450 for about 12 to 15 minutes. So I'll be back then. Okay, so my biscuits has been in the oven now on 450 for about right at 15 minutes, give or take. I guess I would say more along the lines of about 13 minutes. Ooh, it's hot. See how golden brown? Let me see what we have here. Okay, so we got good golden on the bottom, gold all the way around. Let's open it up now. Oh, that's flaky. I love it. So, ooh, it's hot. Ooh. So I think I will fix me an egg to go with that, and I'm going to be great today. So as just a little reminder, you never have to make a big batch of anything if you just break it down properly. So always remember that you might as well say 2 biscuits. These are good sized biscuits, or normal size. And I got a little extra there. But for 2 biscuits, I used a 1/2 cup of flour and 2 tablespoons of shortening and about 4 tablespoons of sweet milk. The ratio is always 3 to 1. 3 flour, 1 fat. Crisco, butter, whatever you're using. 450, no more than usually about 15 minutes. 12 to 15 minutes. And these cost me, now I've got 2 biscuits and a little baby one, and that cost me about $1. So, you know, flour and shortening, you could even make a little gravy with it, put a little jelly on it, and it's great. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would, if you try it, let me know. I'd appreciate you just leaving a comment, and I will see you next time.